you're a company of one or a company of 500, staying organized is absolutely vital to the productivity that you have within your organization. So Kazeli has spent a lot of time developing its unique project and opportunity system that will allow you to do just that in a very efficient and organized manner. So let me show you how this works. Under CRM, you've got opportunities and projects. These are the two main areas. So Kazeli's Contacts has been created specifically to help create those deeper, more meaningful relationships with everybody that you communicate with. However, it's not necessarily the most efficient way for you to work. So what we've done is we've created the project opportunity system to group those individual activities that you have with those people or those companies. So as you'll see here, the default view is a list of all the different opportunities that's going on for your organization. So you can see here that this is the new meeting request that we've done for ABC Company. You can see all the different leads that have come in. Here's Fast Panda Bike Shop, different orders, different possibilities. You can see here that some have open and some have been won, and you can also see here the name of the salesperson that's responsible for that particular opportunity. You can see the value of that opportunity. You can also see when it's expected to be completed, and also the aging of that particular opportunity. If you click on any one of these opportunities right here, you can then view all the information that's related to that opportunity. So the value, you can have any notes that's related to this opportunity, any files that are associated with this opportunity as well. Opportunities provide a great place for you to store items that are related to that opportunity. So in this case, most likely what you'd want to store are things like quotes, order acknowledgments, signed proposals, these kinds of things. You can also store anything, any research that you're doing that you found on the web. So for example, by doing this, anybody that is collaborating with you on this particular opportunity will be able to view these bookmarks that you've added. Also, of course, the files, any communication history. You also have a single calendar that everybody can access as well. And you can assign tasks directly from the opportunity. So let's say, for example, I want to assign a task to review quote. Now I'd like to go ahead and assign this to Rob, make this a high priority, and save. Now, when Rob logs in, he's going to get this notification directly in his message center. And when that task is completed, you will get a notification that the task is now finished. And now it's going to show up in the View Completed Tasks for that particular opportunity. Now, when integrated with our website, these opportunities can automatically be created from the online forms that you have on your web page. So whether somebody's filling out a Contact Us form or downloading of a free report or signing up for some service, every single time an opportunity can be created if you so choose. So all of this information that gets put in here can be automatically created in a standardized and systematic way, and then it's up to you to maintain that going forward. But it allows you as a company to be able to view this information in one glance and see exactly where you are with any particular deal that's going on. Plus, it gives you all sorts of great reporting. Because now this information's in here, you can go to reports and see what your forecasted sales are for the coming months. And when you view these, you can also click on a particular bar and you can see the deals that are made up for that particular month. If you click on that, you can see the owner of it, who's responsible for it, any communication history, and so on. You can also view the different opportunities by stage and how much value is being placed on each particular opportunity. And if you click on any one of those stages, you can now view a list of those particular deals that are in that stage. Now, going back to the opportunities, we have some really great functionality here. Under the advanced search, you can flatten the display. So now you can see the opportunity name with the account name and everything in a single row. You can also sort this by any of the headers that are above here. So if you'd like, you can go ahead and sort it by owner, Okay, and that's your sales rep. So now all the sales reps are in alignment. You can also export this to an Excel spreadsheet. Just by simply clicking this, that result will now be exported to an Excel spreadsheet, which you can do further manipulation. Now, something else that's very useful is, let's say, let's go to advanced search, and let's say, for example, owner Sally has left the company. Now I'm going to pull up all of her leads, and I want to pull up all the ones, not one, but I want to pull up all the ones that are open. So I'm going to come back in here. I'm going to change the status to open. Click search. Now I've got the listing of 5 leads. What I'd like to do is go ahead and click on the multiple update feature on the right. Now what I would like to do is go ahead and click the multiple update feature on the right, and now I can go ahead and change the owner to, let's say, for example, Mike. So Mike's going to be taking over all of Sally's accounts. So I go ahead and click Mike, go ahead and click perform update. Now I have the option to send all of those particular people an email introducing myself as the new account executive. So this is a very simple way to transfer the leads from one person to another as and when they leave your company, and also notifying your prospects that somebody else is now going to be handling their requests. Now, something else is under projects. Projects look very similar to opportunities, but projects allow you to not just store service related information, but it's also a great way to collaborate with other team members within your company around creating, like, for example, a new brochure or new sales and marketing activities or administrative duties like accounting. Let's take, for example, the brochure 2010. So here you can see the name of the company, the start date, etc. Plus you can have over any notes here. You can have any files that have been uploaded specifically about this brochure. Also any communication history that's going to and from about this particular brochure. So the great thing here is you'll notice that the communication is going to and from more than one person. So when the communication is going in or out of Kazeli, all the emails will be automatically related to the specific contacts, but also if you're sending it from the project, it will also be related to the project, which allows for a very simple way for you to view the correspondence that's going to and from everybody in a single place about this brochure. You can also have some advanced features here where you can go to team members and extend this particular project out to possibly your printer. And you can invite them to join you on this particular project. So that way your designer can upload the large file for the printers, and the printers can have access to the same exact repository.